I'm just so thankful our son um, had the van clean. So look at that. This vehicle is like more than 10 years now. We took off the other seats in there because we use it for road trips. We placed the what's that one, cooler in there for water and for snacks, so we won't have to go at the very back to get our snacks. And now we are going to put new seat covers. Well, shout out to Kuya. Thanks for cleaning the van, and he paid for it. Appreciate it, Kuya. And there is the guapo. He's going to put the cover of the seat cover of the van. Hello, Lakay. Thanks for coming. Is it not cold out there? Not cold enough for you?
It's summer.
Oh, wow. Summer for you, not for me.
Okay.
Yeah, that's for seat cover.
Para sa front lang ito.
Front, I know, so we don't have one for the other seat. That's why I keep the other one, Daddy. So the other one maybe goes in there, and that one is at the very back, Daddy. That's the cover for the very back. Daddy, start with the very back. The very back.
Okay.
What the heck? It's only for seats. I thought it's all.
So this
Oh,
one is for the back.
napiki ako. Sa seats lang pala yun. Akala ko the whole entire thing. Napiki pala ako. Yeah, that one is at the very back. Pambihirang yun, hindi ko binasa. Akala ko all the way.
Hindi pang van itong binili mo, pang van.
Ha? Para sa car. Eh, sabi doon pwede sa Toyota Sienna 2014. The king of the road.
So tatikas to yun na. Sabit mo. Okay.
Oh, it's cold. Windy. Sumulay may bimban si wat tayo logan tagayam very windy. Pag kumulaki din datoy logan the problema na. Oh my, it's so windy. Ooh. Can you hear the wind? I like my umbrella.
Use this one too. Kaya lang baka gawin dati pinagdaan.
My umbrella with matching bag. Free from DSW. Because I bought that spring wedge shoes. Okay. Hahoo.
Ilipas ko lang dahil may side na ilipas ko.
Anya nga ilapas? Oh. Sweet. Alright, sounds good. Oh, kamay ko. Oh. Di malinis. Malinis, di cookies. Oh, hindi ako yun malinis. Sana hindi madumihan. Nakita na yung pit ni Daddy. Oops. Okay, that's it. Thank you, Daddy. Naikasya dito lahat. Nagustuhan ko ito. Lalagyan na to. At saka yung matching umbrella. Yahoo! Clean, clean, clean. So happy. Giniginaw ako pero yung kasama ko nakasando lang.
Kasi dapat lang ito ang anak ta.
Yay!
Kasi dito pa nag-park na gawin dito.
That's what I told you.
Ito zero ko mo.
La, ayos. Ay, clean, clean, clean. Oh, diba? Dude. Oh. Diba? Sweet. I wanna see the back. Not bad. Yay. Sweet. Clean. Malinis na. Ready for road trip. Yahoo! Thanks, Kuya, for cleaning the vehicle. I'm so happy. I don't have to hurt my back cleaning the van. I have to send it.
Sesame seeds that don't taste like sesame seeds. Very light tasting fruit.